Wait, is that a duck call? I don't have any lip viruses right now.
That's good. Right now.
He said right now.
Yeah.
So this dog is gonna swim through the water?
Yeah.
Is he gonna get cold?
Nah, she got the fur coat, man.
So it's gonna dive in and grab the ducks and stuff? Wow. This is gonna be crazy to see.
Looks tired.
It looks like I want to dive in the bed right now.
She just laid back, man.
Hello, you're so cute. Thank you for helping us today. Look at the beaver.